So you're going to have 2-inch tape and 1-inch tape. Hold this, we'll do right foot first. Move your foot over there. You're going to spray, wait a couple minutes for the spray to dry. And you're going to take 3 pieces of tape that go from just behind each metatarsal, 1st and 5th. 1, 2, 3. This might be more helpful than that picture, but it'll go well with it. And hold this foot up. We'll do three of them on here. 1, 2, 3. So then we're going to take 3 2-inch tapes, and the 2-inch tapes are going to go side to side to this level. Okay. About like this high. So that's 1, 2, 3. And for the left foot. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to make a piece of tape for the tops of both feet. And the way we do that, we take a piece of tape that goes from the top down to the bottom by the sides. And you're going to flip it over, and so that this tape doesn't stick to the top of your foot, we put a piece of tape backwards. So then we put this up, you'll see what I'm talking about. It doesn't stick to the top of your foot.
Okay.
That's for one foot. And after I tape it, you're going to use wax so it doesn't stick to your socks and stuff. And you'll see what we mean by that. So now we're all set to start. I'll do your left foot, what the heck. So you take the first piece of 1-inch tape, foot goes straight. We start behind the 5th metatarsal, we lay it on your foot flat. That's your anchor. And we come around to the inner border of the heel, and here we pull tight to strengthen your arch. Be very careful you don't wrinkle the skin under the tape, because that'll hurt. The second one, kind of copy the first. Then after you do that, so it's flat here, tight into the arch.
One is not layered on top of the other, one is just next to the other.
I just do it slightly lower. You can do it like that or right on top of it. Next, with the 2-inch tape, you go right in front of the heel, anchor on the lateral side, and pull tight up into the arch. Hey, Melanie.
Yes.
Tight up into the arch.
So those are layered, not one on top of the other? Those are layered?
Correct.
Okay.
And then the 1-inch tape again. Then tight into the arch. Now once you get to that point, you take one of these top pieces. Why don't you do this for Lauren?
Like right now?
Yeah. Now this one is intended to hold everything together. So you want to load up the foot. We don't want to cut the circulation when you step on it.
Oof.
And so Melanie's going to do the other foot and show her how to wax it, and then get the shoes and orthotics on. That's it right there. Take her camera and show her the bottom. Have her take a picture right now of the bottom. And let me check her with everything on.
Just show it on video.
This is it.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
You guys have the tape to buy, by the way, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, you bring it here. You're here and you pull. That one is long.
Come on, boss.
See here, and here, and you pull. Does it feel somewhat the same?
Yeah.
And this one. Bring this one back. Here, and you. And this one comes here, just slightly.
I'll let her know on Tuesday, okay? Yeah,
And then this one to hold everything back.
Alright, so you're so welcome.
Does it feel okay?
Yeah.
Does this one feel more snug?
It does feel a little more snug.
Does it bother you? I do, I even see it a little bit more snug. This is the wax.
Okay.
It seals it. It seals the tape. So you come around and you seal it.
We're confirming your 10:30 for Monday. Yes. I see, okay. Schedule or call us back.
So I guess you'll determine yourself if you like it more snug or if you like it.
Yeah, right.
more
Exactly.
As long as it's not hurting you.
Right. These are things to wear, like I could wrap in the morning, just leave them all day? Or will they last a few days?
It should last a couple of,
Like with a shower?
couple, if you don't,
Even if I shower,
Yeah.
we'll make it? Okay. So I can leave this on for like today, tomorrow, like till Sunday?
don't stay in the shower too long.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah, it